So for those who are familiar with the Gypsy King, Mr. Tyson Fury himself, there he is on his belt, on the belt. And I've decorated the cake in one of his more fancy suits that he likes to wear, the designer print, and I've made it look like his little suit with some gold buttons. Then of course the Gypsy King logo and his boxing gloves, featuring the famous saying, "You big dosser." Happy birthday, Leon, you big dosser. So it's all edible print, the pattern around the cake. As you can see, it didn't quite match up at the back, but that's all right, it's the back of the cake. But that's just laid onto a fondant covered cake. We've got 6-inch chocolate sponge with ganache and buttercream. And the bell is backed onto some icing. Again, an edible print. And then I've just piped some little swirls at the back just to raise it up a bit. So that's like the feature at the top of the cake. But yeah, very blingy. The famous Gypsy King.